Merseycare has access to a number of databases through ProQuest. To use ProQuest, go to the Evidently Better website, click Search and then Advanced Searching. You will now see a list of all the databases available. Click ProQuest. If you are using a Trust PC, you may be logged in automatically. From a non-Trust PC, you will be asked to enter your Open Athens details. Although you can now search for articles, we recommend that you set up a personal account on ProQuest. This will allow you to save search strategies and selected articles. To do this, click on the head logo in the top right-hand corner and then create My Research account. Once you have completed the form, an email will be sent to fully activate your account. However, you can start using this account immediately. Remember to use an email that you will have access to, as a password reminder will be sent to this address if needed. To change the database that you are searching, click on the hamburger menu on the top left. Select Change Databases, untick Select All, and then tick the database that you wish to search. Then select Use Selected Databases. You can search more than one database at a time, but they can use different fields, so searches may not work correctly. Enter the first term you are searching for example, dementia. A drop-down offers suggested terms. You can search anywhere in the record for the term or select specific fields to use. Usually, title and abstract is sufficient. Some databases allow you to search title and abstract together. In others, it has to be done separately and then combined. Building your search strategy in blocks allows you to adjust the search easily. At the moment, the results only include articles which have the terms in the title or the abstract. You may want to include thesaurus terms, as this may offer additional articles. Go back to the searching screen. Remove the terms that are in the search boxes and select thesaurus. The thesaurus is a controlled vocabulary list which is unique for each database. Enter your term, ensure that contains words is selected, and click Find. You will now see a list of terms. Clicking on a term shows where it sits within the hierarchy or structure. There may be a plus sign next to it, which indicates that there are subterms. You can either select the main term, for example dementia, or all the terms below this. When you've selected the right option, click Add to Search, and then click Search. To create one set of articles which includes dementia in either the title or the abstract or as a thesaurus term, go to Recent Searches, tick the lines you want to combine, in this case S1 and S2, and select All. By looking at the number of articles found, you can see there are some articles that have dementia as a thesaurus term but do not mention it in either the title or the abstract. This is most likely because we exploded dementia rather than just using dementia itself. Searching for articles related to dementia in the community, we go back to the hamburger menu, we go to Advanced Search and add in the term community. Using the asterisk to truncate community will include community and communities. Go back to recent searches. If any lines are ticked, make sure these are now unticked. To get the list of articles which include dementia in the community only, we need to select lines 4 and lines 3. This time we're combining using AND. This gives us a list of these articles. To save the search strategy, click Save Search or Alert. Then select Save Search. Make sure that you give it a name that will allow you to identify what the search relates to. You can add further details to the search name using the Add a Note box. Searches are not saved automatically, so please remember to save it regularly. You can limit the search to a set time frame. From the list of articles, select either one of the options on the left-hand side or enter a date range yourself. And click Update. You can also include only certain types of records, for example, articles. Other filters are available, such as language. Each of these changes appears in your list of recent searches as a new line. To look at an article in more detail, click Abstract Details. To view all abstracts, click Show Abstracts at the top. You can save the specific article to your research to look at in more detail later by clicking on the folder icon. You can set up separate folders for different searches by clicking on Create a New Folder. Make sure the name of this folder relates to the search. The article is now saved for future use. On the list of articles, you can see that it has been saved. If you want to read the whole article, you can click on Get Full Text. If we have access, you will either be given the option of downloading the PDF or linking to the article. If we do not have access to that article, you will be taken to a form where you need to add your details. Name and email address are compulsory, and we will attempt to get the article for you from another NHS library. To repeat your search in another database, go back to the hamburger menu, change databases, untick the database you have just searched, and select the new database you wish to search. This has changed the database at the top of the screen. Go back to recent searches and click on the lines that you wish to rerun. Use only the lines which do not include thesaurus terms, as these may be different in each database. You will need to set up the search for thesaurus lines again. When you have selected the line, click on the search and then select Use Current Databases.